Hello there. Today we are going to explore about a thing which separates our day and night. We can breathe, eat, also drink water just because of it. The thing which we see a lot every day and we understand only little about. It comes in lots of color, but collectively it's white. It is the fastest in the universe. What is it? It's light. We can see this beautiful world just because of light. In many cultures, people worship the sun as the giver of life on the earth and source of great phenomenon is light. Is there any relation between light from the sun and life on the earth? Take a sip of Branovita and let's go for info ride. Sun is main source of light. Using it, plants makes their food through photosynthesis and releases oxygen. To know more details about photosynthesis, link is here. All living beings on the earth needs oxygen to survive. Without oxygen, there would be no living beings, and without light, there would be no plants. Effectively, no life. So we all live happily here because every day we get a sunshine. There are two types of light sources. Number one, natural sources of light include sun, of course, lightning, burning object, some fishes. Yes, they do shine. Have you ever seen fireflies? They emit beautiful light. Number two, artificial or man-made sources of light are torches, lamps, burning candles, bulbs, etc. Now understand this. Sun emits light, really very strong and intense light, known as solar radiations or electromagnetic radiations. Electromagnetic as radiations has both the properties electric and magnetic. Electromagnetic radiations is a large family consisting of 7 members called as electromagnetic spectrum. But can you believe? Out of 7, only one spectrum is visible to human eye. We do use all remaining spectrums, but all those cannot capture by the human eyesight. Remaining spectrums means invisible spectrums are slightly different from one another. To understand all this, first we should know how light travels from the sun to earth. Light is the fastest in the universe. Speed of light is around 300 millions per second. Oof. Sunlight travels in the waveform like sea waves. It has peaks and valleys. Distance between two peaks or valleys called as wavelength. It could be long or short, depends on the distance between peaks and valleys. Human eye can capture the light of a particular wavelength. We will try to understand spectrum family one by one. Number 1, radio waves. It has a longest wavelength and lowest frequency. These are used for the broadcasting TV and radio signals. Number 2, microwaves. These are used in appliances like microwaves, also can be used in the channels of telecommunication like mobile networks, Bluetooth, etc. Number 3, infrared waves. Keep in mind, from right to left, wavelength is getting small and energy is increasing. Comparatively, infrared waves are stronger and has higher energy. Reptiles like snake views their surroundings through infrared. These waves can be used in appliances like grills or electric stoves. Now here is a visible spectrum through which we experience the world. We can see lots of color, and do you know these all colors has a different wavelengths. As wavelength changes, shade of color get change. Number 5. Ultraviolet rays or UV rays. Wavelength of this type of rays is comparatively less, so the penetration of these rays is more than above 4 types of spectrum. Ozone layer in the atmosphere protects us from the UV rays. These rays are not safe for the human skin, but there is other use of UV rays in sterilization and in water purifier to kill the harmful bacteria. Last two type of spectrums are X-rays and gamma rays. Many times we heard about X-rays, which can be useful to study human bones and at the public places to scan the luggage. Gamma rays. This is the last spectrum having shortest wavelength and highest energy. During the nuclear explosion, gamma rays can be used. Other use of it is to kill the cancerous cell in the medical field. What we learned till now? Sunlight emits light in the form of waves, and as per wavelengths, there are various spectrums from radio waves to gamma rays, radio, microwaves, infrared, and visible spectrum having high wavelengths and less energy. So these are called low energy radiations, and these are safe for living beings on earth. But UV rays, X rays, and gamma rays are high energy radiations which are dangerous for us. Without light, there would be no plants, animals, water cycle on the earth. So express your gratitude to sun and enjoy sunshine. See you in the next episode with the new concepts and more facts. For that, like, share and subscribe the channel.